Hey guys, welcome to another week for Healthcare Finance. I wanted to just mention our assignment this week. You're going to be working on horizontal and vertical analysis. So there are subtle differences between the two, but both are really important for understanding trends in financial performance and for making changes to your budget for the future. So please make sure to take a look at that assignment. Let me know if you have questions. I'm also posting a sample. It's a very basic example of a fruit stand, and that I think will help you understand what it is you're trying to do with each type of analysis. Again, a reminder in case you didn't see my previous post, if you submit your individual assignment this week by Saturday night instead of Sunday night, you can earn 3 points extra credit. So that may or may not show up in your actual assignment grade. It's going to depend on your performance. So if you got a perfect score on that assignment, I'm going to put those points somewhere else. So I'll make a note of that. But if you have questions about it, let me know. Have a great week, guys, and keep up the good work.